Hello everyone. Today for a change we're going to be making a face mask. To make one mask, we need two pieces of 9 inches by 6 inch fabric. For tying the mask in the back, we need four 15 inches by 2 inch pieces of fabric. In addition to that, we also need a ruler, pencil, scissor, and thread. Let's begin stitching. First, we are going to stitch the strings to tie the mask at the back. Out of the 4 pieces, you will first take one piece, fold the top a little bit, and then fold both halves inside. You don't need to fold the bottom because the bottom is going to go into the mask. Now you will stitch it all the way to the end of the fabric. You will repeat this process for the next 3 pieces. Now our 4 strings are ready. Now we will begin to stitch the part of the mask that covers your nose and mouth. Now take the two 9 inch by 6 inch pieces. You're going to fold the length of it by a little bit and stitch all the way through. You're going to do the same thing on the second piece. Our 2 clothes are now ready. Align them back to back with the inside facing out. Because it's 9 inches, we're going to make 3 inch increment markings. You will have 3 spots on it once you finish marking. Now we're going to start stitching the mask to attach the string. Start at the second 3 inch increment mark. Stitch until the end of the section where you have a little gap left. Attach one of the string pieces diagonally and stitch over it. Now turn it around and go until the second corner until you have a little space left. Attach the second string diagonally and stitch over it. Now make sure both the strings are pushed in so it doesn't come in your way when stitching. Stitch until the end of this side and then attach the third string diagonally. Keep pushing the strings in so it doesn't come in your way when you stitch each side. Now stitch down until the fourth corner and then attach the last piece of string. Make sure none of the strings were stitched over on all of the sides. Now stitch until the next 3 increment mark, but leave the middle part blank because this is where we're going to put the filter cloth. Now we are going to flip the mask inside out so all the strings will be at its respective corners. Now pull out all the string in each corner to smooth out the mask. Now we're going to double stitch over the mask to make the mask more firmer. But make sure to not stitch in the middle part and leave it open because we need to attach the filter cloth. Turn it around and stitch until the bottom of the side and then turn it around again like we did before. Keep doing that until you come back to the center, but leave the middle part blank. Now it's time for the last step of the mask. Take the mask out and cut out all the extra threads. Now we're going to make the pleats. We're going to keep 3 pleats on the mask. Put the mask back in the machine and fold the cloth upward. Stitch over the section and then make the second pleat. Now repeat the same for the third pleat and stitch all the way to the end of that side. We're going to do the same stitch on the other side of the mask. Fold the pleat and then stitch over it. Repeat the same thing for the second and third one. The mask is now ready. We still have the gap in there for the filter paper. Iron it and then it will be ready to wear outside. But make sure to put in the filter paper before going outside. Stay safe. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.